iconic if it was October 3rd and I was like, it's October 3rd. Anyways, today's video is exciting. So we're finally gonna be prepping for fall. It's officially fall, so no one can say it's not fall yet. Why is this so blurry? Doing our fall bed, fall nails, fall baking. That trendy video that everyone's seen on TikTok where you do like the ice cream sandwiches. I'm doing those and I'm so excited. I want some. They look so good. We're gonna start with the bed. I just set my tripod down. The freaking leg broke off. It's dead. Anyway. This is such a workout. If anyone works out in the morning, try making your bed before you work out. You might change your mind and decide that this is like your morning workout and you don't have to go to the gym. Like I cannot. I sleep on one side of the bed. The purpose of this, like it's just a mess. These are also like reversible pillows. Like you have plaid and then you have cow print. But we're doing plaid obviously for fall. This is also reversible too, obviously. I had a cover on this pillow. I don't know where it went. This is also a Valentine's Day Snoopy. Red hearts, red bow and all. Like this man is ready for a girlfriend. Like he's so cute. Tell me this Snoopy blanket just isn't cute. I saw it online. I just had to run to the store and get it. Like I couldn't wait for it to come in the mail. Proud of my bed. The only thing I bought this year were those lights, pumpkin, this blanket, and this garland, and it cost me under $20 in total. And it's so cute. I love it so much. And then like with the pom-poms, this. I'm still working on the other side of my room, so I never show it because I don't like it, but fall. This is fall. Measurements on the side. I usually do around 6 ounces of coffee, but when you add ice, there's like no telling how much it really is. Ice. I'm probably gonna use all 6 of these. We're gonna make a latte today, an iced latte. I have a lot of fall themed syrups. Favorite syrup, the pumpkin cheesecake from Skinny Syrup. So good. This is always a must. The vanilla. 1, 2. Oh gosh, I hate doing that. Ice. Oh man, I forgot to line my cup with caramel. Oh well. Looks like a full cup. My favorite caramel. It's so good. Screw the lid. Look lighter than this. Milk? I don't know, we'll see. I actually kind of like that. Our fall drink of the day is done. I give this like a 7.5 out of 10. I actually like it. Try it. This time of year always has the best drinks and sweets, hands down. But once I saw this one on my For You page, I had to try it. I'm so excited. I cannot wait to eat.
Why would you take a picture now when we're not even done? Aww. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So then we need to do this. 26. This is math. Every time I hand you one, you need to say out loud what I'm giving you.
Where's the cookies? You look cute.
What do you think?
I think Penelope thinks that it's nice because it's gonna taste good anyway. Did you fart? She's gonna say it doesn't matter what it looks like, it only matters how it tastes.
Is that true, Penelope?
Smoothing out this ice cream on parchment paper is harder than it looks. What? If you want me farting the rest of the night, I'm just being honest. I'm not being indecisive, I'm being honest. Whatever happened to honesty? Look at the ice cream, look. Everyone make the ice cream process look so easy. This is actually so hard, even when the ice cream is softened. Aww. So we're actually prepared parchment paper. What? You're looking with such a blank stare. Is everything okay up there? Our pan is lined. All the cookies left for the second batch. Let's see how it goes. Those broke, but it should be fine now. Wow! Don't do that, babe.
Do you want the sandwich to look like this?
Oh god, I hope it didn't stick to the plate real hard. Right in here it broke. Show the ice cream. Oh, it's like mayo. Don't say anything about it.
Here you go, Penny.
That's got chocolate in it. They're not supposed to eat chocolate. She cannot eat this one. It's got chocolate.
Penny said, come on. Penny.
They will literally die from that.
Tell them, Penny said, come on, man. Well, there you go. I guess that's it.
Let's cut it.
I have no idea if that's lined up properly at all.
It doesn't matter. Just cut it down the middle. I'm so excited. We're gonna get a legit ice cream cookie sandwich.
I'm so good.
That's such a cricket line. Hey. Show me cut that shit.
I'm showing you cutting that.
What's that noise?
The fruit. It's making right.
Okay.
Go ahead and do this one. That way you can
Okay.
actually like cut it where it can be ate. Something to show, you know?
Oh man.
Well, your cutting's not perfect. Go ahead, take your bite.
I'm scared. That's so good.
Yeah, good.
What would you rate it out of 10?
Probably an 8.
I say the same thing. It's done.
The cookie's not staying together.
Such as Taco Tuesday and Black Friday, plus so many. I personally will be taking.
Okay, I don't know what to pay. Which pumpkin do you want? Blue and yellow. What should we paint?
Wherever you want.
I don't know what to paint. We should do some hearts. I'm gonna do some hearts. This is not pink. Oh, that is so kind. My first heart. Look at my little hearts. They're so cute. Wonder. I'm gonna do some purple ones now. I don't know what he's doing. A candy corn? You gotta get rid of that.
Second.